Hi learners, this is Sir Bambi and welcome to my class. In this video, we will learn the functions of all the buttons in the Home tab in Microsoft Word. And let's start. So, we all know that Home tab displays the most commonly used commands. This is the Home tab, and Home tab consists of different groups. This is the clipboard group, the font group, the paragraph group, the styles group, and the editing group. And let's start with the buttons in the clipboard group. So we have the paste button, the cat button, copy button, and the format painter button. So, first, the paste button. Paste the contents of the clipboard. So how paste button works? Let's copy this one, Ctrl C, and use the Ctrl V to paste. Next one, the cat. It deletes content from the current location and puts it in the clipboard. So this is how cat works. Let's do the Ctrl X, and we need to paste it. Do the Ctrl V. Next, we have the copy. Also puts selected text or graphics into the clipboard, but it remains where it is. So, let's do the Ctrl C as the shortcut key for copy and paste it. Okay. That's how copy button works. And the format painter copies the formatting from one place in a document and lets you apply it somewhere else. So let's copy the format here. Ctrl Shift C, and let's apply the format here. Ctrl Shift V. And that's how format painter works. Let's proceed to the font group. So first we have the font. Provides a list of all the available fonts. So this is the shortcut keys, and let's change the font style here. You can use the shortcut keys, but it is easy to go here. You can choose different, you can choose your own font style. Let's try this one. Okay. Next, we have the font size. Let's you adjust the character size. You can use the Ctrl Shift P, or you can go here in this button. Let's change the font size to 18. Next, the grow font and shrink font. Increase or decrease the font size. For example, let's decrease the size of this content. We can click it here, or if you want to increase the font size, you can click it here. You can also use the keyboard shortcut keys for shrinking the size and for growing the size. Okay. Next one, change case button. The change case changes the selected text to either uppercase, lowercase, or another type of capitalization. So this is the sentence case. Let's change it to lowercase, to uppercase. That's the uppercase. And to capitalize each word. Okay. And to toggle case. And let's make it normal. Okay. Let's proceed to clear all formatting. It clears all the formatting from the current selection. So let's try the click all formatting button. This is the click all formatting button, and that's it. Next one, the bold button. It toggles bold on the current selection. Okay, let's make it bold. Just do the Ctrl B, or you can click this button. Ctrl V. And italic. It toggles italics on the current selection. Let's make it italic. So you can click this button, or you can just do the keyboard shortcut, Control I, and that's it. And we have the underline. It makes the selected text with underline. So we have the keyboard shortcut keys, the Control U, or you can just click this one, Control U. Okay, and that's it. The strike through. It draws a line through the middle of the selected text. So this is how strike through button works. Strike through. Okay. And the subscript converts the selection to small letters below the text baseline. So this is how subscript button work. Like for example, let's type 8 and make it a subscript. You can click this one, or you can use the shortcut keys. Let's make it superscript. You can use the shortcut keys or just click this one, and that's it. Next, the text effects. Apply a visual effect on a selected text such as shadow, glow, or reflection. So let's apply some text effects here. This is the text effects. This is the glow, shadow. We can put shadow here, and many more. Next, the text color. It makes the text looks like it was with highlighter pen. For example, let's highlight this one and let's put some text highlight color, yellow. Let's highlight first. Okay, that's it. Next, we have the font color. It changes the font color. So let's change the font color here. Okay, I'll choose this one, or example blue. And we have the bullets. So what is the use of this button? It will, if you want to have an organized list of your content, you can use the bullets. For example, bag, cat, dog, and then you can just add bullets for it. You can also modify your bullets. You can choose a heart or this one. Okay. Next, the numbering. It's almost the same with the bullets button, but of course it will not use bullets but numbers. For example, that one, or letters. Next, the multi-level list. What is the use of this button? You can do this one like that, or okay, like that, like that. That's how multi-level list works. Then we have the decrease indent and increase indent. If we're going to click the increase indent, this will happen. And decrease. Okay. Next one, the sort button. It displays the sort text or sort dialog boxes, allowing you to sort paragraphs of text or text within the tables. For example, this one. Let's sort this in descending order. For example, okay, see what will happen. It starts with apple, then after bat, cat, dog. Let's arrange it in descending order. Okay, that's it. That's how sort button works. Then, the show hide paragraph marks. It toggles the display of paragraph marks and other hidden formatting. So let's click this one. Then it displays paragraph marks and other hidden formatting. And then the align left, center, align right, and justify buttons. So if we click the align left, or let's do the shortcut keys, the Control L, this will happen. The Control E, the center, the Control R, the right, and then the justify. Next, the line spacing. Here we have the line spacing, different line spacing options. We can choose 1.15, 1.5, or 2.0. Then the shading. This is how shading works. We are going to shade the backs, for example, like that one, or let's change the color, green. And then the border, it customizes the borders of the selected cell. For example, let's click this one. Okay, the left border disappears. Let's click this one. Okay, there are no borders now. Then we have the styles group. It formats titles, quotes, and other text using gallery of styles. It changes the set of styles, color spans, and paragraph spacing used in a document. For example, let's choose the normal, the no spacing, the heading 1, the heading 2, and heading 3. That is how styles work. Let's go back to the normal. Next, we have the editing group. The Find button finds and selects specific text, formatting, or type of information within the document. So let's try the Find button. Control F. For example, let's look for the word buttons. And enter. Automatically, it will search for all the word buttons in the document. Here we can. Here, click here. Okay. Then let's close this one. Let's proceed to the replace button. Replace button replaces text in the document. For example, Control H. And then let's change the word buttons into commands. Find what? Buttons. And replace it with the word commands. Then replace all. Okay, let's close this and look at this one. The word buttons is replaced by the word commands. Next, let's proceed to the select button. This is how select button works. So if you want to click select all, then all the content in the documents will be selected. If you want to select an object, just click this one, and then the object in your document will be selected. And that ends our lesson for this day. Don't forget to subscribe to join my class, like this video for your attendance, and hit the notification bell para hindi ka malate sa class ko. This is Sir Bam Benjamin now. Evaporate. Bye-bye.